Hey guys, welcome back to today's episode of... Hold on.
I don't even know what we call it.
Hey guys, welcome back to Task Force Tread. On today's episode of Flatten It Fridays, we've got a little plastic bulldozer thing. Let's see what happens when a big 5-ton army truck goes over the top of it. That's it.
It's gonna be destroyed.
Put that sucker right there. All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
Buddy, come. Buddy. Buddy.
Oh my gosh!
Oh,
Oh, dude.
oh, the poor thing.
Oh, I don't know. What do you think, Garrett? Can you fix it?
No.
How many pieces did that put that in? 1, 2, 3. Hold on. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Well, that did the trick.
It was flat.
Yeah, I know, right?
Once you first went over it, it was flat. It was super satisfying.
All right, pick it up.
Time to put it in the dumpster.
Yeah. Say bye forever.
Finish him.
All right, let's go.
Let's finish it. Boom. Goodbye.
Well, thanks for joining us on today's episode of Flatten It Fridays. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.